Hello everybody. I'm just gonna give you here a quick update. We got about a video that I have recorded about a PS4 FAT that was not turning on and was just showing the blue light blinking. So after doing some research and some comments. I have noticed that this is something common with the PS4s, so they call the blue light of death, which means that the blue light of death is something we got about on the APU chip, or sometimes on the RAM chips, that is causing the console not being able to display any image. In this case here, what I have done, and after do some search using some other YouTube channels, for example, Steve from Fix and Dakota, they suggested only for the PS4 FAT to try to do some pressure. Where is the location of the APU? Putting some metal plates here where you have these two screwdrivers. So in my case here, I didn't have a screwdriver. A metal plate. So what I have used this plastic circles. I don't know how to say in English, but in Portuguese is anilhas, but in English it says that it's washers. So I'm not sure if you can see, but yeah, we use this on the toilet, and even for the washing machines to connect the house of the water, something like that. So I didn't have any metal plates to use it, so I decided to use these ones from plastic. So I have put these two ones here. I have screwed I have do some pressure to screw those two screws using my screwdriver, and just to show you, it has started to work. Let me just connect here now. I'm gonna try to share here the screen as well. So at the moment it's, as you can see, oh, sorry, forgot. Just move my camera a little bit here so you can see the lights. So for now it's blinking. Let me just connect here the screen. So now it's white, and let me show you here the screen. So it has started to work without any problem. I have put a game. I have tested, was working fine. So this is one of the main solutions. So now the reason why it's causing this behavior, as far as I understood, is some balls on the APU might be desoldered from the motherboard. Let me see if I have here another motherboard. Yeah. So one of the reasons is maybe the APU, the balls beneath the APU, some of them might have desoldered, so it's not connecting properly under the motherboard. So we need to do some pressure here on the APU to try to connect those soldered balls that are not connecting directly to the motherboard. So this was one of the suggestions. Of course, this is not something that can be used all the time. Sometimes it works, but just for a certain this is just a temporary solution. It can work for days, weeks. It depends. But which is strongly suggested to do is just to reball the APU. So remove with the machine to desolder the APU, and then put some new solder balls on the APU, then put it back on the motherboard, and reball it on the motherboard. So unfortunately, I don't have that kind of machine. It's quite expensive. I don't have money for that. So at least I have managed to fix this one. So there was two issues. The first one was the HDMI port was damaged inside, which I have replaced on the previous video, and the second one was regarding about the blue light of that. So I have managed to put some. Let me just disconnect here the camera. So I have put these two plastics washers here, and then put the screws with the metal plates. Try to do try to do some pressure here to make sure if it's holding very well, and that's it. So guys, this is just a short video. I hope you guys will like it. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. This is one of the easiest at the moment fixing the PS4. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Well, we'll try to give you more videos soon. Thank you very much and have a good one.